do this, and then do this, we'll go inside there.
Ooh. So that's gonna. Are you gonna draw a door?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And
So you could say draw a door, not make a door. Draw a door. Okay.
So that's what we were doing, but what is missing?
House.
Yeah, a house. If you said, oh, Lena, pretend I.
Yes.
If you said house, then you're correct.
Yay! So if you want to answer her question, I just said house. And if you wanted to answer it really badly, you could pause the video and say house and then unpause it so you could be first on saying it. But if you don't know what it is, you could keep on going. You could not pause the video and you could see what is the answer. So, yeah. Wow.
And then, no, everyone needs to see up the attic. Every house has attics. And look at the windows.
Oh.
Even I have an attic. It's in my closet. There's windows here.
Ooh, that's a lot of windows.
I know.
Oh, good. So how do you draw the window?
Like that. Those are too many lines.
So you draw a square and inside you could draw a plus. So how to draw a window? Good question. You're going to draw a square and you're going to draw a plus inside.
I'm doing different kinds of shapes. I'm
Okay.
doing a car seat one.
Okay, so while she's decorating, you'll see hers too, but let's get hers in time lapse if she's not done. Are you done? Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then sorry, we're not going to do it in time lapse. But the next one we are. Okay?
So, that's how you do a house. But
That's-
you're gonna have to cut it out.
Oh, then you're going to make a house then. Because
Yeah.
if you're going to cut it out.
No, I'm cutting this part out.
Yeah, so while she's cutting it out, we are going to do it in time lapse.
So we're back. Next step is if what is missing. That's all this.
Pause the video, but I'm going to say... Wait, I don't even know. Can you tell me? Pause the video, please, if you want to say it. If you don't know what it is, then you could keep on watching.
Sun.
Oh, sun! Okay, if you knew that already. Yeah. Okay, so one more time in time lapse with her drawing the sun. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Well, not bye-bye, but
Can you get me
we'll
a
see
yellow?
you.
Can
Yeah,
you get me a
yeah,
yellow?
yeah. Okay. We will see you in time lapse.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope we get to see each other.
Okay.
Bye.